How you doing, guys? This is Joss from Kingdom DTF. Welcome one more time to the channel. If this is your first time stopping by, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and also click the bell notification so that way you know when we got new videos out there. So guys, as you can see here, I got the 912. It's a dual head printer, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you're going to replace or change your fans that are right here underneath. That is the one that have the suctions for the platen. Okay, so in this case mine went bad, so I just going to switch those, switch really quick and replace those. It's important for this type of printers that you got the suctions, because it's going to help you to get the films really in place, and also it's going to prevent the films to bump it up or hit the printhead when it's printing. And it's really important that in this type of printers that is dual heads, your plates and your suction platen is working. Okay, so I just took mine already apart completely, but I'm just going to show you where was going to be some screws that you need to take out first before you can get inside the actually fans over there. Okay, so as you can see, this is an old printer. This is version 1 of the dual head printer, right, or the A3. Now we're selling the version 2 on our website, and this one, it was paint, as you can see. Okay, so it was really nice paint, but I forgot to took this part off, and that's why this is the original color, and this one is the one that we choose. So you're going to have this part before here. Let me show you really quick. So this one is going to be right here. Okay, so it's going to be like this, and you're going to remove all the screws from there, here. You got another one here. Okay, also you got one over there. And when you remove those screws, this part is going to come off. That is going to be this one over here. Okay, then what you want to do is remove the other screws to be able to remove this part over here, and I'm going to show you that. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this somewhere that is good for me. Okay, so this one, you need to remove this part over here, so basically access to your capping station. And this one's going to be tricky because you're going to have 3 screws in this side over here on the right side. So I'm not sure if the camera is going to catch that, but there's going to be one here, and the other one here. But it's going to be behind this, so it's basically inside this side over here, because it's almost the same. So you're going to have 1, 2, and 3. So the same way these 3 are on the left side that is holding this plate is the same 3 screws that are in this side over here. This part over here, you actually can remove it, and it's going to give you access to your fans that are the one that works with the suction plate over here. Okay, so these 2 went bad, so what we're going to do basically is replace them so it can start working again. Okay, so before that, let me go to the back of the printer and show you which one is the cable for these fans over here, because it's important that even you're going to be able to remove these cables. That is going to be all the way inside, and this one is super easy to replace, but I want you to know which cable is this one on the back of the printer, that which one is connected to the main board over there. Okay, when you get to the back, you're going to have your printer, and you're going to remove these 2 over here. this one and this one. So that's going to give you access to your main board on the back. Okay, that is going to be this one right here. I hope you can see this. Let me try to move a little bit the table so you can see it better, because I'm trying to do this video as short as possible, and I'm trying not to cut it or anything like that. So you got your A3 main board over here. That is the one that manages a lot of stuff, and this one too. So you got 3 cables over here in this corner. So this is the main board on the top, and then you got these 3 over here. So the black and red wires over here. So it's got to be this one over here on the top. The first one on the top, that one is the one that control the fans from the suction plate. So basically it's this cable over here. It's going to be grabbed here. So what I did is just took it off to make sure it was that cable, and then start pulling, and I saw that it is the one. Okay, so it's that one over there. And if you're not sure about that, you can also let us know. We can tell you again which one it is, or the manufacturer actually can also tell you which one it is, but for sure is that one, this one over here on the top, from those 3 that are connected. Okay, the one on the top. So once you get your cables out, right, so you can take this band over here, you can take it off. And then you're going to have your cable. That is the one that is connected to your main board, this one. So let's start by replacing this one over here. So we just need to find the cable. And if you can see, this one is this one. Okay. So we disconnect, and you're going to have this one. Not sure if you're seeing it, but then use your any screw that you like to remove that. So there's one. Then you got the other one. There's 2, and you got it. So this one is the old one, and we got a new one here. Okay, so we put away the old one, and this one, the cable seems short, but it's going to connect the same way. So what you need to do is just put it in place. Okay. Just put it there. Just a little bit. Yeah, not too tight, you know, you don't want to break the plastic. So that one is that. Then you come to the same, find the pattern again, okay? You go to find the pattern and match the pattern. So it's not this side, obviously is this way. And you go, and there's the click. So now it's secure with this one, and that's it. And then you can do the same one for the second one. So let me go ahead and do it just to make sure that we got all. There you go. There we go, the click. So now you're done with that. So take this back again, and what you can do is just put these, you know, you can grab any type of ribbon band or something like that, so it can hold a little bit, and just put that inside there. All right, and then the old ones, since they didn't work, so you can throw it away. You don't need it anymore. All right, and then what you're going to do is just basically put back together your pieces that I showed you when we begin this video. That is going to be the plate here with the three screws in this side, and then the other 3 screws in this side. Put that together, all of them. Go to the back, put the panel, put the 2 screws, and you're done with the printer. Okay, so before we doing that, what we're going to do is just turn the unit on and make sure that these 2 are working properly. When it's turned on, it's going to be good to go. And then you just finish replacing the fans unit for the 912 or similar printers that are like this unit, dual head printers. Okay, so let me go ahead and turn on the printer. I'm not sure if you can hear this noise, so let me try to get the microphone close to you. Capping station. All right, so you hear the initiation, and as you hear, I hope these 2 units are working fine. So now we can turn off the printer, all right, and put back together, and you just finish replacing the fans. Super easy, guys. In this type of unit, you don't have to stress yourself if something you know, is broken or anything like that. There's going to be always some type of help, and actually the manufacturers, they got technicians that they're going to help you with this type of printers. If we don't have any video out there, you know, changing or replacing any parts, we can ask for that. You know, manufacturer got a bunch of video, or they can do one and explain to you, whatever. But we do our best, you know, with the time that we got, and all of that, to have content video out there that is going to be helpful for you always. Okay, and in this case, it's got to be for the 912 that we replace this over here. Okay, guys, so my name is Josh, guys. Thank you so much for watching. All right, this is the 912 dual head printer available on our website. And if you like this video and you find the content good for you guys, and you share with someone that is in needing help, don't forget, guys, to tell them to subscribe to the video. Also hit the like button and click the bell notification, so that way they know when we put new videos out there. So thank you so much, guys. My name is Josh. Until the next one, keep printing.